Hello guys, welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to monetize a Twitter account. So just please follow my steps until the end and let's begin the tutorial. And so the first step easily, you need to go and open your browser as you can see over here. And now from the browser, go and open Google. And once you open Google, you need to go on your Twitter account. So go on Twitter and from here, open the link of Twitter as you can see over here. And so once you open the account of Twitter, and now once you're here and open this main page of Twitter, as you can see, you'll have multiple options on the left side. And so easily what we're going to do, we'll go and click on these 3 points. And here we're going to choose monetization, which is could be found between ads and bookmarks. So we're going to click on monetization over here. And now we have the available programs. So the first one here, which is subscriptions, if you click on it, you're going to see the requirements, including you must be verified and have 500 followers, you're active in the last 30 days, and be at least 18 years old. If you're not eligible, you can go for the second program, which is ads revenue sharing. You click on it here. And so here also we have some requirements that you must be follow up, including subscribe to premium or verified organizations, have at least 5 million impressions on your post within the last 3 months, and lastly, you must have at least 500 followers. If you're eligible for one of these programs, you can go directly and monetize your account on Twitter and get revenue on these programs. And this is how you can monetize your account. At the end, that was all in today's video. If you find this very helpful, please don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and thanks for watching.